Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to try out the new Colourpop No Filter Sticks Foundation. This is Colourpop's newest foundation. I got the shade Deep Dark 185W because I do have warmer undertones. The foundation stick retails for $10 and you get 0.34 ounces of product, which I think it's pretty much what you get in a stick foundation. This is how much product it comes. Oh, that's a lot of product in here. This is pretty typical for stick foundation. So we're just going to start applying the foundation to our face because I'm just really excited to try this on. I'm just going to start up here. First of all, I hope this is the right shade. It kind of looks okay because I don't even know if I it looks like it's okay, right? I think it's okay. I'm using a beauty blender to just blend that in. I think that shade match is pretty good. I'm gonna just add some more. I feel like I have no chill with stick foundations. I always go ham. Like, I feel like that's the only way I get a nice coverage though. So it looks really matte right now. I'm gonna add some more. Smells like something. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I smell everything. I don't know. It's just something that I do. I smell everything. Are you guys like that? So you smell everything? Let me know. Comment below if you smell everything. So this coverage is definitely skin-like. It looks like skin. It looks very flawless, like very, very skin-like. I like how it builds. It builds really, really well. So I do appreciate that a lot. And the shade matches me really nicely. So I'm going to do the other side of my face. And yeah, I think it did a pretty good job at covering up my dark spots. So I like it so far. Alright, so she's covered and she's looking flawless. I love this foundation. I love the coverage. It's really, really good. I'm going to add another layer because it says it's buildable. I just want to see how buildable it is and how flawless and how much more extra we can make this. You guys are probably like, girl, if you don't put that stick down. But, you know, it's good to know the possibilities of the product. It's good to know what you could do with it. I'm gonna blend this out once again. Actually, I should use a brush, but that's okay. This is definitely a full cover at this point, and I still feel like it looks skin-like, although it's super full cover right now. Like, it's covering everything. It's really, really good. Amazing. I love it. So we're going to use a No Filter concealer. I have the shades 42 and what else we got? We got 60. So we're going to use 42 right under here. This one's more golden, I think. I love this applicator. It actually feels really good. I haven't used it in a while and I didn't realize, like, I actually really like this applicator. It's really like bendy and flexible. So we're just gonna do the other side. And then I'm gonna put some on my eyelid. Just why does my eyelid sound like a doll right now? Like, you know, when you squeeze the doll's eyelid and it makes that squishy sound. I'm going to blend out my forehead. I'm going to use the Colourpop Deep Dark 58 to contour my face for liquid contour. I'm going to add dots of this one here. Just to make our face a little bit more snatched. And I'm just going to tap it in. We're gonna fix it, okay? Don't worry. We're not done yet. we're gonna fix it. I'm just blending first because I just like the way it looks when I do that. I'm gonna add some here. Started over here and just blend that together. We're gonna use this Benai Topaz powder to set the under eye. Just off my first impressions so far, I think I like this stick foundation better than the liquid version. It's been a hot 10 minutes since I had it on, like, you know, but I feel like I like it better. I don't know, something about it I'm really liking. So I'm gonna use a Colourpop pencil in black and brown to fill my brows in. Alright, so the brows are on, and I'm just gonna add some of this Colourpop bronzer. Okay, so this is it for my face of makeup. In terms of the foundation, I really like it. I actually prefer this one over the liquid, which I did like the liquid version, but this one I love a lot more. I like how you could build it on and it just gets more and more full cover. It is more on the matte side for me right now. I don't know how long it's gonna stay matte for because it's just been like an hour probably at this point, but it does look more matte. I'll let you guys know how it goes throughout the day, but I really don't see this foundation being like a super long matte wear foundation, but I do think it's gonna last really long. Just it might be more satin on me in a couple hours. Alright, so I did my whole face of makeup. It's been about 2 hours since I've been wearing the foundation. So far it still looks pretty good. It's not melting off my face, so that's a good thing. I'm gonna try it on tomorrow to see how it wears throughout the day. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, share with a friend who loves Colourpop, or just share with a friend who loves makeup. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe. So it's been it's 3 o'clock. I applied the foundation at 8 o'clock this morning, so I'm gonna calculate that math because I don't know. So it did last pretty long. I actually blotted like 10 minutes ago because it got so shiny and I was not about to come on here looking crazy like a whole mirror. So besides that, I think it lasted pretty long and it's still in place after blotting, except for like right here because I had a salad. But yeah, I think it's pretty good and I definitely think you guys should try it out for shizzle.